What I love about Pacific Palisades, in addition to the fabulous homes that I've had the pleasure of selling over the last 28 years, are the fabulous people within the community. That's one of the biggest benefits of my business of being a real estate agent. From culture or the small town feel and the local shops and restaurants or amazing hiking trails, it's all within a close proximity to both the city and the sea, which is making Pacific Palisades the ideal neighborhood to live in.
Hi, my name is Robert Radcliffe, and welcome to another phenomenal new listing of mine here in the Palisades Alphabet Streets at 947 Hartzell Street. And as we've all heard in real estate, the three most important things with buying real estate: location, 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 and this is the best location. We are centrally located in the Palisades Village, literally a short stroll to commerce, restaurants, Caruso Village, Cinepolis movie theater, everything that you would want to be able to walk to, including maybe a little bit longer of a walk, but a short bike ride down to the beach, amazing hiking trails, everything. You literally don't even need to get in a car living at this address. Place is phenomenal. Point out obviously the obvious, the private hedges along the house give it total privacy, quaint little sitting area. What they've chose to put in, which I did at my house as well, is all of this astroturf. Clearly it always looks great. You don't need to water it, and you don't need to mow it. We have two guests inside. You can hear the two dogs, adorable dogs. Let me point out also, clearly my clients are baseball fans. And perhaps what I love the most, patriotic Americans. All right, step in. Here's our guests. They do not come with the house. They take care of the house. They shed lots of love in the house. And they're going to follow us through. Okay, so as you can tell, pristine condition, mint condition, one story, 1,536 square feet on a 5,200 square foot lot, which is more or less a standard lot here in the Alphabet Streets. They usually range from 5,200 to 6,500. What everyone loves is this floor plan. Obviously big, wide open. You've got this lovely breakfast area or dining area. And they knocked it out of the park with this kitchen. Completely remodeled. Like almost brand new. I think it's only a few years old. Side door obviously for trash area out here. Built-in little office space. They're going to include the security cameras and monitor with the sale. Come on. Then we've got obviously this kind of like small little butler's pantry. Leading to one of the three bedrooms. These dogs are so funny. Okay, you're going to follow me. You're going to follow me. Completely redone bathroom with shower. Notice the countertops, cabinetry. Really, really nice. Guest bedroom here. So this was at one time a bedroom, making it a fourth bedroom. It's now obviously an office. Could be easily converted back to a bedroom. And just to step out here a little bit to see the side yard, which we'll go to out the master in just a moment. But this is actually a really good space. And again, if you needed a fourth bedroom, this is it. And look what they've done with this master. Great closet space, walk-in closet. This will not disappoint. Completely remodeled bathroom. Spent some time in there showing the tub, cabinetry. This house gets great natural light, and obviously I love these pitched ceilings. Nice volume of space. All right, follow me out to the yard, which what they've done is converted the garage into an amazing game room, media room, gym, number of things. Built-in porch, which is really nice. Oh, one out here. And then for you golf lovers, want to work on your pitch, right here. Pretty smart. Once again, the astroturf makes it low maintenance, super clean, no watering. I did the same at my house. I think it's great. In fact, let's step over here, Nikki. Just to point out that there is a lot of space. Their son Nathan had a batting cage here and for pitching. So there's enough room for that. Tons of storage down here. And this would be your access if you were to get rid of the converted game room. This would be your access to your garage, which we're going to come back to. I love this porch. Did you get that, Nikki?
Yeah, so cute.
Yeah, it's cute with this awning. They have the lights for at night. And then for those that want a man cave, woman cave, game room, media room, gym, has its own powder room here, but look at all this space. Like, this is friggin' awesome. I love it. By the way, this is not included in the square footage of the house. So the house, once again, is it 1536 or 1520? 1536 square feet. That's not including this room here. So once again, our mascots. This cutie over here checking us out. This one over here protecting us, but giving us lots of love. Isn't that right? So 947 Hartzell Street, Pacific Palisades in the Alphabets. Awesome location.